Click, click, click. Stupid. There we go. It was fought fiercely by both sides. But our guys, because neither were they able, or they were neither able to preserve their ranks, nor to stand firmly, nor to follow their standards, and one guy from one ship had attached, was attaching himself to whatever standards he encountered. Because of all that, our guys were greatly disturbed. The enemy on the other hand, that should be Wadi East, with all the shallows known, when they had caught sight of some individuals, when from the shore they had caught sight of some individuals getting off the ship, with their horses spurred on, they were attacking those people having been hindered, or they were attacking the hindered people. Several were surrounding few. Others were throwing spears from the open side into the group, like into the... At the mall would work too. Which, when Caesar had noticed, or when Caesar had noticed this, we could say, he ordered the small boats, right, the skiffs of the warships, likewise the scouting vessels, to be filled or to be manned with soldiers, and those whom he had spotted struggling, to these he was sending reinforcements. Our guys, as soon as they stood on dry ground, with all of their guys having followed, made an attack on the enemy, and put them to flight. Gave them into flight, right? Put them to flight. And they were not able to advance any farther because the cavalry had not been able to hold their course and take the island. This one thing was lacking to Caesar, to his previous fortune, or to Caesar's previous good luck.